Ooh, sounds so good, aka love strawberries. I'm loving the fresas de amor. I think we're onto something, huh? I don't know. When I think of Valentine's Day, I think of that is the first thing that pops into my head is chocolate covered strawberries. What about you? When you think of Valentine's Day, what's the first thing that comes to your mind?
Chocolate covered.
Chocolate covered hearts?
Yeah.
Close enough, close enough. So today we're going to show you how to make some super cool and delicious chocolate covered strawberries. So we have our strawberries on deck, but first things first is we have to wash them. Pour our strawberries in.
And then put in the water and then dump it.
And we're going to give them a nice good rinse and a nice good dry. We're going to pat them dry because we don't want our chocolate slipping right off. Yep.
Don't drop the strawberry.
No, we don't want to waste a single one.
Moments later.
Oh, speaking of waste.
That's what I just said.
Okay guys, so now that our strawberries are nice and clean, we're going to take our towels and we're going to dry them. With chocolate covered strawberries, you don't want to wash them too early because they retain their water sometimes and no one wants a watery strawberry, right?
Delicioso.
Delicioso. Our strawberries are nice and clean. Do you want to walk our bakers through all of the super cool stuff we have here?
Yeah. Chocolate. More chocolate. More chocolate. More chocolate. More chocolate. Sprinkles. More sprinkles. More sprinkles. And more sprinkles. And then we got some cupcake platters.
Yep, to hold our strawberries.
We got this Valentine's Day treat boxes.
Yup, we're going to show you guys how to pack some special love for your family and friends.
Yeah.
And last but not least,
We got some shimmer spray. And more shimmer spray.
so these are actually called candy melts. We got these at Walmart. I'll try to find the link to put in the description box below. But we got them in red and in pink. We have a bunch of food gel coloring
Got that part.
to dye our white chocolate. These are melting wafers, which I believe, from my personal opinion, are so much easier to use for chocolate covered strawberries. The Baker's dipping chocolate, we also got these at Walmart, but they sell them in most local supermarkets. These are so easy because the cup is microwavable and then you just dip the strawberries and it's a quick, easy cleanup process. So we are gonna get to decorating, right? All right, bakers, so we are back. Our chocolates are all melted. And we're gonna work fast here because with a melted chocolate, you wanna have it at the perfect consistency. It can't be too hot, otherwise it will just run completely off the strawberry, but it also can't be too cold because then it won't adhere to the strawberry. What I did was put the candy melts in with a little bit of vegetable shortening. That is a baker's tip. I don't know if you guys remember our Monster Pop videos. We'll link it in the description box below. But behind the scenes, it was a hot mess and we were trying to figure out the candy melts because they were drying so rapidly. You remember? That when we were dunking our Oreos, it was just hardening. I researched it and this is the trick, is to add a bit of vegetable shortening to the candy melts and they will remain with this liquidy consistency. I'm gonna show you a super cool trick, Mama, with the white chocolate. I saw this on Instagram. So we have our white chocolate here. And what I'm gonna do is snip the ends. And what I want you to do is do a little squiggle of the pink like this, and then the red in the opposite direction. Perfect, so just do a bunch of squiggles with the pink. How pretty! All right, now do the red. Oh, this is looking so cool. Now we're gonna swirl the chocolate just a little bit. Just like that, you see?
Wow.
Super cool. All right, then toothpicks come out. Perfect. And now we're gonna dip a strawberry and you're gonna dunk, and on your way up, you're gonna twist to create a really cool swirly effect, okay? All right, go for it. Wow! Look at how pretty that is!
So cool!
So beautiful. I love it. We'll pop it right into our cupcake liners. Oh, these are so pretty, right?
Yeah!
I love a good chocolate covered strawberry. A little bit of red, a little bit of pink.
This is gonna be cool, guys.
Yeah. Give it a little swirly.
Whoa.
Wow, that looks great, huh?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna add a little cream.
Yep. You want to put some sprinkles?
Yeah.
This sprinkle mix is from Wilton and we love it. It has hearts and pearls and Cupid's arrows. So cute. There we go. Wow, these are like real golden spray, huh? Wow, this is like really golden, huh?
Whoa,
I wonder if we do like a whole strawberry. Let me see. Oh. Wow! It's like Midas touched it.
Now we are back, and almost all of them are ready. And I have some jokes to tell you guys and Thea. What do you call a very small Valentine?
A small Valentine?
Valentini!
Oh, that's so cute!
What do you call two birds in love?
Lovebirds?
Sweethearts!
Aww.
What did one blueberry say to the other?
I don't know. What did he say?
I love you very much.
Oh, I love you very much too.
What flowers get the most kisses on Valentine's Day?
Roses? Roses are very popular on Valentine's Day.
Tulips. Get it? Tulips.
Oh, just like that? Don't wipe my kissies off.
What do you call someone with a cold on Valentine's Day?
I think I know this one. They're sick with love.
Love sick.
Oh, that was close. Yay! Those are great jokes, Mama. Now all of our bakers will be able to have their family and friends laughing all day, right? So we got these super cute little Valentine's Day treat boxes. Again, all the ingredients that you saw here today were bought at Walmart. This video isn't sponsored, but we do love Walmart. I'm gonna go ahead and put one of our strawberries that have dried in there. And I'm gonna gift this one to your mommy, which is our camera girl. And it's gonna be her super secret surprise. How cute is that? Who are you gonna give yours to? Oh, that one is so pretty.
So one of my friends at school.
Very cool. To have these set, guys, you can actually pop them into the fridge for about 10 minutes and they will harden. We did a mixture of white chocolate, candy melts, and all of that stuff actually hardens pretty quickly. So ours have already kind of set as we were decorating and telling jokes. But you don't want to leave them in the fridge for too long because then when you take them out, they'll start to sweat and it's not cute. So it's so pretty.
Whoa.
Look at how cute these looked. And you could see because we used our cupcake liners, they just set perfectly there at the bottom. No mess, no fuss, right? Cheers! So good. That was so good. The berries are so fresh. And that chocolate is just the perfect complement.
Ooh, it's actually very good.
It's good, right? Well, we wish all of our bakers a soupy... I must be secretly thinking about soup. A super happy Valentine's Day. We love you guys. We thank you so much for supporting our channel and our baking journey. We hope that you continue to stay tuned.
Try this.
They are super good. Definitely get in the kitchen and try these out with all your family and friends. Valentina, what do we say to our bakers?
Well, bakers, make sure to give us a yummy thumbs up, click the subscribe, and turn on the notification. And don't forget to check out our Instagram, Yummy Thumbs Up, and our TikTok also at Yummy Thumbs Up.
Yes!
Till next time, bakers!
Ciao for now!